So if Windows Update has been setting on the same percentage for hours, don't force to shut down right away. I'm going to be showing you what we're going to do. So let's see what we can actually do to make this process really happen really fast. Let's assume, for example, that you go directly with the system settings. So first, you don't want to panic too early. The big feature updates that can take 1 or 2 hours or more, especially in older hardware. So check for any sign of activity, a spinning dot, a disk activity light blinking, or the percentage slow climbing. If there's been zero movement for at least 45 minutes to an hour, it is safe to say it is stuck, right? So what we can do is to force it to actually restart. So if it's truly frozen, you want to press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to force a shutdown. You might be seeing something like this into your keyboard. So press this button for more than 10 seconds. So then wait 30 seconds. If you are using a power adapter, unplug this, wait 30 seconds, then turn it on, and in most cases Windows will detect the failed update and either finish it or roll it back automatically. This alone fixes the majority of stuck updates. Now let's go and run the Windows Update troubleshooter. If it boots back a normal desktop, go to settings, and inside your settings I'm going to go directly into the section that says system. Scroll all your way down, and you wanted to look out for the option that says troubleshoot. Then here into troubleshoot you wanted to go for other and troubleshooters and run the one from Windows Update that you can see directly inside here. So I'm going to select Windows Update. I go for the element that says run, and it automatically checks for stopped services, corrupted cache files, and other common causes. Right now, the step number 6 that I can give you is to restart the update service manually. So if you search for services into the start menu, I'm going to click for services, and you can see that we have the system settings of the services. So inside here, you wanted to find the Windows Update list inside here. So we'll be looking out all the way down here. Here's my window update. So you wanted to go for right click and select the element that says restart. This clears out a silently crashed update process without needing another full reboot. Something else, if it's still stuck, you can open the command prompt as the administrator, and you can stop the Windows Update services. I'm gonna go for command prompt like this, and here you want to look out for the Windows Update services, then go to the Windows Software Distributor, delete everything inside of that folder that you can be finding out directly into the File Explorer. Inside the File Explorer, I'm going to go for this element, and as you can see we have the C home users, but in my case I will be typing C like this. I will be going for Windows and then go for software distribution. This is going to be really important. Here you want to delete everything that is directly inside here. Restart the services. This forces the Windows to re-download the update cleanly, and try it once again. My last resort for all of you guys is that if the PC won't boot normally at all, you want to force a shutdown 3 times in a row right as the Windows logo appears. This triggers the recovery environment. From there, you can go to the troubleshoot, advanced options, and try to start up repair first and the system restore. And there you go. If that doesn't work, of course, of the system restore. So that's how you can get an unstuck update moving again without losing your files. If this helped you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Thank you. See you next time.